In many developing countries, children with birth defects are considered cursed, and often the family is encouraged to let the child die. Physical deformities in children is a very difficult thing for the entire family, especially the mom and the child. They're rejected in many ways. They're usually not allowed to go to school. People don't want to marry them. They can't get a job. So it really affects their life.
When we get an opportunity like this to close the problem, you can really reach right into their heart and explain to them that this is not a child who's abandoned by God, but he's here so that we can work together to make this a very, very, very beautiful child with a beautiful smile.
Samaritan's Purse is here in South Sudan to do cleft lip repairs. And we have 41 patients here this week that have come for surgical repair. Our patients are from all over South Sudan, many from areas that don't have access to get to Juba. There's no road access, so we decided to pick these patients up and charter flights to get them here.
It could never be done without Samaritan's Purse, which takes the patients and is able to transport them here so that they can have the operation and transport them home.
These were people that society views as maimed and outcast and rejected, and they were standing there with little name tags on with their destination and their name. I collected them all and they were so excited. And one woman was working barefoot across the parking lot. She'd never been to Juba. She'd never seen anything like this and all. And she had just such blind trust in us and that we would be able to help her and fix her. One woman said, I stay at home mostly because people are too cruel to me. But she said, you know, God made me and he loves me, but he gave you the ability to fix me.
This is one day they're deformed, the next day they're beautiful children.
After the surgery, it hurts them to smile right now, and so they're not doing a lot of smiling, but they will be. The swelling will go down and the sutures will dissolve on their own, and so they'll look dramatically different really in about a month.
I certainly got probably much more out of it than each of those cleft lip patients got. They got a new lip, but I got a new perspective on life.